Budgies, everything you need to know. Budgies are the single most popular pet bird. They are also known as a parakeet in other parts of the world, including the USA. Baby budgies can be easily identified as the feathering on top of their head has a series of bars that continue down to the cere. The cere is the fleshy or above the beak, where the nostrils are located. When the bird reaches the age of 8 to 12 weeks, the bars starts to gradually molt out until eventually the top of the head is completely clear color. Unfortunately, it is not possible to guarantee the sex of the budgie at an early age, but after the age of about 3 months old, the cere has turned blue for a cock bird or brown for a hen. Your new bird will be handed to you in a small pet box. This is the best method of transportation and ensures that your budgie will remain safe and protected until you are ready to install him in his new home. It is not advisable to transport birds in uncovered open cages. I will put it at the end of the video so you can read more about it. Thank you for watching.